Hello friends, my name is Srinivas. So today we are going to learn about an app called Google Lens. So this app is particularly used to get information about a product. So if you are in a store if and you are not familiar about the rating of that product, so say if you pick up a biscuit and if you want to know the information about the biscuit, which is not printed on the label. So if you want to know if that biscuit is good quality or not, or if you want to read some review about it, and it could be also used in a bookstore. So if you are in a bookstore and you are really not familiar about the book, so you could just use this app to get a review of the app. You can even know the other writings of that author. You could check the rating of the author, and here's how you could do it. So first you need to download the app. You can download it from Play Store. You need to type lens, and hit enter. So here's the app. So I have already downloaded this app on my mobile phone. So now when I go to the app, here's the app. If I click on the app, this is what it looks like. So here's the interface of the app. So I could scan this app. So now you could see small boxes, small transparent boxes. So it's actually picked up the text. Now I'll hit the search button. So it has accurately told me the book. So the book is Built to Last: Successful Habits of Visionary Companies. Then it gives me an Amazon review and a Goodreads review. It tells me about the book, its summary, its publication, media type, where I could get it into a digital platform. It tells me about the author. It also tells me about other books of the author. It even gives me an option to buy it online, and it suggests me few other books also. Yeah. So here's how this app works. It's a very good app. It could be also used to search for a so if you're probably walking across a street and you come across a nice flower and you're not knowing the name of the flower, you could just point your camera using this app and it will accurately tell you what flower is that. Or if you are not familiar with some kind of a product, you can point it out. It will tell you what product is it. So it's a very important app and a very useful app and a very essential app if you're in your day-to-day life. So you can download it from the Play Store. Thank you.